Well, the president stuck to his campaign promise to nominate a conservative to the Supreme Court. But as Hannah Daniels explains, Trump's selection is expected to deepen the divide between the aisle in Washington.
I am a man of my word. I will do as I say.
President Trump kept yet another campaign promise Tuesday night, nominating conservative Colorado Judge Neil Gorsuch to fill the Supreme Court seat of the late Justice Antonin Scalia.
I pledge that if I am confirmed, I will do all my powers permit to be a faithful servant of the Constitution and laws of this great country.
Reaction to the announcement was divided among partisan lines. House Speaker Paul Ryan called Gorsuch a phenomenal choice, while Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell hailed the move an outstanding decision. Democrats were far more critical. In a statement, the Democratic National Committee branded Gorsuch a right-wing ideologue. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer later added, Judge Gorsuch has hewed to an ideological approach to jurisprudence that makes me skeptical that he can be a strong, independent justice on the court.
I look forward to speaking with members from both sides of the aisle, to answering their questions and to hearing their concerns.
Following the announcement, demonstrators gathered outside the Supreme Court to protest the president's pick.
Impeach Trump!
Earlier, this group of Christians prayed for a swift confirmation.
We pray here tonight that the nomination process would go smoothly.
At 49 years old, Gorsuch is the youngest Supreme Court nominee in 25 years. If confirmed, he would become the 5th conservative out of 9 justices on the bench. Hannah Daniels, CBS News.
And new this morning, Idaho Senator Jim Risch was at the White House for the revealing of Gorsuch as President Trump's nominee, and this is what he had to say. In part, Gorsuch's impressive track record of defending our U.S. Constitution has rightfully earned him the reputation as an originalist. I am confident he is the right nominee and will follow closely in the footsteps of his predecessor, the late Antonin Scalia.
And Idaho Senator Mike Crapo also released a statement about the Supreme Court nomination. He says in part, quote, Judge Gorsuch has a strong background of legal experience and knowledge. I take seriously my constitutional responsibility to thoroughly review this nomination. As that review is conducted, I have long said our next justice must look first and foremost to the Constitution for guidance in all legal matters.
And Representative Raul Labrador also released a statement. It reads in part, I hope that Judge Gorsuch will uphold conservative principles and honor the Constitution. I'm gratified that the president kept his promise to choose from the list he provided before the election and congratulate him on a stellar pick. Labrador also weighed in on Trump's executive order regarding immigration and travel, speaking to 670 KBOI Radio. Later in the show, we'll take a listen to what he had to say. And new this morning, passengers of an American